Welcome back to another video. Sohail here, and today I want to introduce an amazing indicator that perfectly finds order blocks. If you don't know what order block is, order blocks are specific areas of the market where large market participants like banks, institutional traders, hedge funds, or other large financial entities have previously placed significant buy or sell orders, so causing of large movements in the market. In other words, order blocks are areas of the market where there has been a large amounts of orders to be executed. So essentially, order blocks are identified through price action, where we look for areas of the market where the price suddenly changed its direction and the market experienced considerable movement. The main concept of order block is for identifying key levels of support or resistance levels based on smart money. So then we can use these levels for entering in the market or exiting our position. Order blocks are important because they can create large price movements. When a large amount of buy order is executed, it can push the price up, and when a large amount of sell order is executed, it can push the price down. So order blocks can affect the price considerably because they can cause imbalances between supply and demand, and so it can define significant turning points in the market which can act as a key support or resistance level in the future. And order blocks also signal market sentiment. When traders see smart money is flowing in the market, they evaluate it like this, that those large institutional traders have better information, and so traders start following them and cause driving of the price up or down even more. So order blocks are important concept in price action analysis because they give us information about the behavior of institutional and large traders, and also provide the key levels that are probably going to affect the price in the future. Alright, now you may ask how order blocks are identified on the chart. Price action analysts usually look how the price has moved in the past to find areas where the market has suddenly reacted strongly, and this strong move can be in the form of a reversal or a break out of a range or consolidation period. Technically, order block is the last candle before the strong move that has created imbalance of supply and demand in the market. Identifying order blocks needs years of experience, and it's really challenging for beginners to correctly identify order blocks on the price chart. However, there are some indicators that can help you on this, and I'm going to show you one of the best of them in this video. Here we click on indicators and we search order block. This one, order block finder, which is an editor's picks indicator, and it's written by someone named Wu Gomlo, if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Alright, as you can see, the indicator has added some levels and some labels, which are bullish order block and bearish order block. As you can see, sometimes they are beginning of a strong move, like this advancing of the price after this bullish order block, or this declining of the price after this bearish order block. But as I explained, the more important part is that they can also act as a key level of support or resistance level in the future when the price reaches to that level again. So they can be a potential areas for trading decisions, placing limit orders, or closing your positions. For example, here you can see after having a bullish order block, after that again here around this zone we got another bullish order block, and just see how the price is behaving in the zone. Here you can see at the bottom the price stopped and reversed. Again here stopped and couldn't successfully break, and again advanced, and again here we got bearish order block, and again here in the previous bullish order block zone the price had difficulty to pass, and we had a short pause and tight consolidation period here, and finally the price could break the zone and go down. As you can see, please pay attention, now that the support level is broken, it changes role and it becomes a resistance level. Even if the price breaks this resistance zone and go up, here it can stop again because we had a bearish order block here which act as a key resistance level. If you explore the chart in the past, you can clearly see how the price is behaving near order blocks. One extremely important point that you must pay attention is that these bullish and bearish order blocks that you see on the chart and generated by the help of this indicator are not buying or selling signals. They are not detected in real time. A bearish order block is the last green candle before we have the required amount of following red candles, and a bullish order block is the last red candle before having the required amount of green candles, and this required length of following candles are set at 5 by default. Here relevant periods to identify order block. So what does this mean? This means an order block is identified after 5 candles has formed. So these bullish and bearish order blocks that you see on the chart are not buying or selling signals. They show areas of interest. In other words, potential areas acting as key levels, which I explained earlier with examples. Even if you want to identify order blocks purely based on price action analysis and not using any indicator, even in this case, you identify order blocks after future conditions are met, like having 2 or 3 strong candles alongside with heavy volume, or you may decide based on percentage of price movement based on your experience on what happened in the past. In this indicator, you can also define a minimum percentage move for identifying order blocks, which the optimal amount can be different on different assets and also on different time frames. For example, in terms of price movement on the price chart, 1% move on 4 hours time frame is different with 5 minutes time frame. You can also remove these order blocks channels, which are actually based on the latest order blocks. You can remove them here if you find them distracting. This indicator is one of the best order block indicator that you can use in your price action analysis, and the most important point about this indicator is that, as I explained, these are not buy or sell signals and they are not detected in real time. The best interpretation that you can have is that they show interest and potential areas that can act as a key level in the future. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.